Once you determine that profile rail is preferred for your application design, it is important to select the right linear guide to maximize its advantages and to minimize friction. Thomson offers 3 profile rail families, each available in 2 configurations. While we have optimized our product portfolio to simplify the sizing and selection process, having multiple designs and options can sometimes make choosing the best one for your application a challenge. However, by starting with determining which product family and configuration best aligns with your application requirements, you will simplify the decision-making process. For medical, laboratory, and testing equipment applications, the Thomson MicroGuide product family is well suited. These linear guides feature a Gothic arch design for the best possible moment loading capabilities within the smallest amount of space. The 2 configurations for MicroGuide are normal and wide types. Both are available as stainless steel assemblies only, with the rail length and number of carriages specified within the part number. All but the smallest units have integrated end seals as standard, with available options including multiple accuracies, preload levels, and a retained ball offering. These linear guides feature a dynamic load capacity of up to 6.7 kilonewtons and are available in nominal sizes from 5 to 15 millimeters, depending on the configuration. For most profile rail applications, including industrial automation equipment, general factory automation, and packaging equipment, the Thomson 400 series product family is recommended. These linear guides feature a double face design for both equal load carrying capacity in all directions and better tolerance of any mounting surface inaccuracies, which lowers installation costs. The 2 400 series configurations are standard ball and cage ball types. Unique to this product family, both configurations utilize the same rail design and have the same rated load capacity. Both are available as assemblies or separately as unmatched rails and carriages for ease of installation and maintenance. Stocked carriage shapes include standard flange block and narrow square block types. Longer versions of these for higher load capacity are also available, along with different mounting heights for maximum interchangeability with industry standards. With both longitudinal seals and end seals as standard, the available options include hard chrome plating, multiple accuracy and preload levels, modular accessories such as oil reservoirs, metal scrapers, and additional end wipers. The 400 series linear guides feature a universal dynamic load capacity of up to 157 kilonewtons and are available in nominal sizes from 15 to 55 millimeters. For the most demanding profile rail applications, including industrial automation equipment, machine tool equipment, and precision measuring equipment, the Thomson 500 series product family is the ideal choice. These linear guides feature double back design for maximum moment load capability, rigidity, and accuracy. There's a trade-off of requiring more surface preparation, which increases installation costs. The 2 configurations are standard ball type, which has a stainless steel option for medical and food service applications, and a roller bearing type for even greater load capacity, rigidity, and accuracy. Both are available as assemblies or separately as unmatched rails and carriages for ease of installation and maintenance. Stocked carriage shapes include standard flanged and narrow square block types. Longer versions of these for higher load capacity are also available, and depending on configuration, different mounting heights are also available for interchangeability with industry standards. With both longitudinal seals and end seals as standard, the available options include hard chrome plating, bellows, multiple accuracy and preload levels, modular accessories such as oil reservoirs, lubrication blocks, metal scrapers, and additional end wipers. The 500 series linear guides feature a universal dynamic load capacity of up to 362 kilonewtons and are available in nominal sizes from 15 to 65 millimeters. To make your profile rail selection process even easier, Thomson offers an online selector tool. Using a visual, application-based interface, you can narrow your search to find your ideal linear guide in only a few minutes. You'll also have immediate access to CAD-ready 3D models, catalog links, product details, as well as upfront lead times and pricing. To learn more about Thomson Profile Rail Linear Guides, visit thomsonlinear.com or contact our experienced customer support team.